block 2 of Nature Walk. Again, this is 2 blocks that we have to make. You can choose to make one or make both of them today. It's pretty easy. Goes together pretty simply. We have 3 paper piece templates that are all various sizes of this. We only have 2 seams. Very easy. And this is the block that we're making. So we'll need 2 of those. And I have your cut pile here. I'm just going to go ahead and make sure I have this piece centered on. Okay, so since I'm using solids, there is no right or wrong side, but if this was a print, I would need pretty side up, so pretty side facing me, and then pretty side down for the seam that we're going to sew. Okay, now if I flip that over, I'm sewing right on that seam. That was such a big piece, I'm just trimming this excess off because I don't want that in my block. And then I'll go ahead and press this. Okay, so I have the first 2 pieces done, that first seam, and now I'm going to go ahead and fold on the next seam. Create my 1/4 inch. So for paper piecing, you can make your stitch length smaller so that the paper tears off easier. You can also use paper piecing paper. I am just using the notebook paper that I printed this off, not notebook, printer paper. And you can also use an add a 1/4 ruler. I am not doing that, I'm just using my regular ruler. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and press that. Okay, so now that we've done that, which is the same process for all 3 pieces, this is just the biggest one. Now we're going to go ahead and flip this over, and we're going to go ahead and trim this block, and we want to cut on the dashed line. Save those big background pieces, especially because we'll have some paper piecing stuff later, so you might need those. Okay, and now I'm just going to go ahead and rip off the paper. I know some people keep that on. I do not like having to rip off the small pieces, so I go ahead and take off my paper. And now you have some background pieces that you have to sew on both sides of each block. Okay, now we just have to sew those 3 rows together. And there we go, our 2 blocks. I'm so excited. These are where they are in the quilt, and so simple. Our next block number 3 is going to be the sun. So we have 4 of those blocks because we do it in a drunkard's path method. So I hope you're having fun on this nature walk, and Please share your blocks at Nature Walk Quilt, hashtag Nature Walk Quilt, hashtag Nature Walk Sew Along, and you can also go to my Facebook Sew Along community. And again, thanks for following along. I really appreciate it. The quilt behind me is made with Riley Blake Fabrics, Albion by Amy Smart, and then we have 2 sample ways for the solids. So until next time, we'll see you later tomorrow. Bye.